Hello everyone, I'm very happy to see you again. Today I introduce to you the way to change back prefix for similar structure. Example for tower T10 and we change to tower 11 or 12, only back prefix and still keep the back position, or tower 20 to 21 or 22 with the same back position number, or tower 30 to 31 or 32 we only change the back prefix and we want to keep all the similar number to make more professional. We make one tool to get all the back from model and change to new prefix and assign one by one for structure. The idea we get all the single back from model. We arrange and sort all back follow prefix, start number and back position. We check all back and prefix and assign one by one and perform numbering for all series back you want. Example with tower 30 to 31, all the back position keep the same. The tower 20 to 21, all the back position keep only prefix change. Now we go to more detail to understand how we do. On the C#, we make one data grid view to show our prefix and new prefix. We make one button for getting back and one button for change back prefix. We make event when we get the back. We make new class for single back, get data from model, and one for change back prefix in back numbering single back class. When we get prefix data from model, we use the thread method to make separate with program and get the model data. Depend on the Y we select on the model, we get the selected serial or the back from model or only selected object depend on your purpose. After get the back, we split all the back to group for the serial and position. After correct all the data and we fill the back prefix to the data table, we make the new data table for the method. We use system data to get the data table and finally we show all the back prefix to the data grid. Now we try to import model from our project to see. You can see all the model import correct with the curse bow, everything correct for all structure. Now we perform the numbering to check the data. We save the numbering. We create report to check the backlist. We have a 3 tower have the similar structure, only different the height and some structure and segment. And now we try to change all this to tower 11. We get the back and all prefix show for you for T1 IBC. We change to T11 B C MP S W and dummy, and we perform change prefix for all this serial to 11. The first change to prefix and that's assign one by one for each T I B C M B serial C serial MP serial that assign one by one to get all to make all the back prefix to the semi serial that assign one by one to keep all the back serial for you. For the dummy serial that assign one by one for all and make change T10 to T11. Yes, that is after finish and that's change all the status or the similar structure for you fast and easy. We do similar for tower 12. You do the same way and change prefix for tower 12. That change prefix one by one and assign number for you. For all the back have the same shape and property. That's a match for all. I get and back prefix and change for all and now you perform the numbering to update the numbering for all your model. We save the numbering. Now we create report to check the result. You can see now that all structure change prefix and keep the same for 11 tower 12. Similar. That make your model have the same number, only different the back prefix. You can use the Tesla API to make some tool to support your project fast, save more time and speed up your project more and more. You split your text to symbol text and make more easy for improve or update in the near future. Symbol 2, we have a stair tower, and we copy to other line that similar structure, only different location, and you want to make the different serial for back, and we change example. Yeah, that make more easy for you to this is tower 20, which order back. Now we get this tower to 21 for tower to 21. That assign one by one for you for each serial one by one. Yes, that do automatic for you for all. Assign one by one. That finish for tower 21. Similar for 22. You that change auto change prefix and assign number one by one for each serial. Night control. Fast and easy to change the prefix for similar structure. Sell the numbering. You can easy change and yes. Now all back prefix change from 20 to 21 and keep all the back serial for 22 also. That's very nice. Similar for tower 22. That's very nice for your project. Other example, you have a electric tower and copy to other location. Yes, other structure with full similar together, only different location. And this is the tower 30, and you want to change to 31. You do the same way. You get all the back for this tower, and you change prefix to 31. See, and perform numbering. Yeah, that change one by one for you. Similar the way we do for almost structure. Change the prefix and assign numbering one by one. Let's do one by one for you. Easy for you. So easy for you to control. Yeah, our structure control with the correct and similar structure, same together, same back mat and same position, only different back prefix. You can expand for more for drawing in one by one in Thai in near future. If you want, the first for numbering, for copy model, and for also for drawing more and more automation, and that's make easy for control almost thing. Yeah, that's finished for our side and change prefix for you. You perform the numbering and cell number to get update. Yeah, now our prefix change from 30 to 31 and keep other position number the same. Look very nice. You can use the tool for other similar structure. Example with stair that have the same structure, and you make one drawing for one stair, and other you keep the same. Yes, you have the stair 0 here, and all other also have the same structure, and other stair have also the same prefix to have the same back position with this stair. And after that, you can use the tool to change prefix for this stair, and the drawing automatic along. Similar for other, you can easily change prefix and keep the same position for all serial similar structure together and save your time. Yeah, a lot of things you can do with Tesla Open API to support your project for model. That is the idea for change back prefix. However, you will get some interesting for your Tesla development in the near future. Thank you for your time, and see you on the next video. Thank you.